Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to share an Evernote notebook with others. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll notice several options listed there, and you'll want to click on Notebooks. This section displays all the notebooks you've created and manages your organizational structure within Evernote. Now, navigate to the specific notebook you want to share with someone. Once you've located it, you'll see three dotted lines positioned right beside the notebook name. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Share Notebook. This action will open up the sharing interface where you can control who has access to your notebook and what level of permissions they'll have. In the sharing window that appears, you'll see a field asking you to enter recipient information. Type in the person's email address in the designated field. This is how Evernote will send them an invitation to access your shared notebook, so make sure you enter the correct email address to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Below the email field, you'll notice an option that says Full Access. This is where you control what the recipient can do with your shared notebook. Click the small icon beside Full Access to reveal a drop-down menu with different permission levels. You'll see options including Full Access, Can Edit, or Can View. Each permission level determines how much control the recipient will have over your notebook. Full Access allows them to modify, delete, and manage the notebook completely. Can Edit lets them add and change notes, but with some restrictions. Can View only allows them to read the content without making any changes. Select the permission level that best fits your sharing needs. Once you've configured the email address and chosen the appropriate permission level, click the Send Invite button. Evernote will now process your request and send an email invitation to the person you specified. They'll receive a notification and can accept the invitation to start accessing your shared notebook based on the permissions you've set. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Evernote notebook with someone else, giving them access to collaborate or view your notes according to the permissions you selected. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.